Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 15, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. Column I, second row and fourth row, we have pair numbers 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, third row and fourth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Fourth grade. Then column F, we have pair numbers 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third row and fourth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Ninth grade and third grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Ninth grade, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G and 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade, only one number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 6, 7. Fifth row, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 8. Column B, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Ninth grade. Then column C, we have pair numbers 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column D, And 7th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. 6th row we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column C we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, then 2 is confirmed here. Column B, column C we have 2, 9th row also we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th row we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column H and 6th row we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then 7th row 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 5th grade we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column C we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 will be one of the cells, we will confirm later. Then 1st grade only 1 number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. 3rd row we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 3rd row we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column C 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 5. 8th row and 10th row we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 10th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, then 4 is confirmed here. Then column C only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. 8th grade we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then 10th row only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column E we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 8th grade we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Then 8th row 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column H we already have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column H we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column H we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column E we have 6, so 6 can't come the cell, then 6 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column D we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column D we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 7th grade 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column B we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 8th grade only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. 9th row 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column J we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column I we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 6th grade 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column J we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 6th row 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column G we already have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.